Number 7. It's the 7th rule. What's this? Huh. Can you read this? It's what is called that means a chick or a mother hen wrote, and even the Oyinbo man cannot read it. Who can read this handwriting secret? If your handwriting is not good, I'm so sorry, you have to work on it. Let's see some of these rules. Can you read this? Can you read this? Now, if your handwriting is bad and the examiner cannot mark it, your paper will be escalated to the next level. And if they cannot mark it, then they will say, okay, whatever you can mark, go ahead. So they mark whatever they can mark. You get the score, whatever you can get. So bad handwriting and scattered work can make the task of marking very laborious, very difficult. Write legibly and lay out your work neatly. Alright? And illegible handwriting will be examined closely. Only what can be seen will be marked. At the end of the day, see this wonderful work, wonderful handwriting from one of my students. You'll be happy to mark something like this. Well laid out, well written. I didn't get any handwriting that was totally bad for my student. I think they got in the secret. So take time to lay out your work very well. Okay, commandment number 8. Commandment number 8. Wow. Yes. Generalization to specificity. That is truth removing. Specificity. Okay, that means you should be specific. You've learned general things in class. When you ask you questions, you should answer specifically. Don't answer generally, and that will give you too vague. Not everything you learned in class will be applicable to every question. So you have to be able to apply whatever you have learned appropriately. Okay, for example, let's see this in robotic. Some facts were learned generally but are to be applied to specific questions. For example, say robots can be used in hazardous environment, in toxic environment, maybe in chemical plant and you want to do some monitoring, collect some data, robots can be used there. But that fact is not applicable to every area where robots are being used. Robots are being used more and more in offices to carry out menial tasks like delivering posts, something like that. Describe the advantage of using robots in this way. And some student wrote, and they can be used in dangerous environment. Excuse me, is there anything dangerous in delivering posts in offices? No. So that question will give you NBOD. No benefit of doubt. So whatever you have learned generally, read the questions very well, apply them specifically. Number 9. Wow, this is an arch enemy. Arch enemy. Arch enemy, and you have to kill that enemy. An enemy called NR. What is the full meaning of NR? Hey, you don't know this enemy. I'm going to talk to you about this enemy. This man is your enemy. You have to kill this enemy. 0. NR means no response. No response. And no response attracts 0 mark automatically. No response. I'm going to show you. And then not only you didn't write anything, you just wrote, I don't know, I can't do it. And you put question mark there. You're going to get no response. To be serious, please don't do so. I beg you. Thou shalt not leave any blank space. Right? You say, okay, raise your right hand. Say, I shall not leave any blank space. Yes. And I shall not write, I don't know it, I can't do it, or anything like that. Okay, because they will give you NR, and then NR means 0. C, for some of my students that volunteered. Okay, see, this is answer sheet. Describe two similarities between physical faxing and electronic faxing, and the student left it. Oh, you've heard about faxing before. Write something. You may get it. Never leave any blank space. So they'll just write seen. That means we saw it. We turned out, but there is no response. The other one also, no response. So seen, no response, seen, no response, because the student did not write anything. So don't leave any space blank. Don't write, I don't know it, I can't do it, or you put question mark again as if you're asking us question back. Don't do that, so that you don't get the ugly no